Following our recent, very successful restoration work about French refugees at the end of World War I in 1918, we decided to do some experiments to see what can be achieved with the latest video enhancer software based on artificial intelligence, AI. For that purpose, we used a very old film fragment from 1905 that shows a panorama of New York City, filmed from the Times building. As you can see, this footage is of poor quality. The film is wobbly, unsharp, not very clear, and has an extreme amount of image noise. We went through the 4 steps that we normally use to enhance black and white film footage. This process is described in detail in the welcome video on my channel. However, as the 4th step, we used a new AI enhancer, and here is the result. The resolution of the footage was 480p, so we upscaled it to HD level of 1080p. The resulting footage was still not motion stable enough, probably due to the stabilizer not being able to properly recognize objects in the footage due to the image noise. So we stabilized it for a second time, this time with more success. Finally, we wondered what would happen if the film would be processed for a second time by the new enhancer. This time the resolution was kept at 1080p. To our amazement, the result was even better. The reason most likely is that the AI was able to better recognize all the objects in the video because of the preceding enhancement steps. There was one more final step to do, namely to speed correct the film and to use frame interpolation to do so, and thus make the motion even more smooth. Here are the original version and the final enhanced version side by side. We think that the results are spectacular and the stimulation to use this method often again in the near future. Let us know what you think in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.